Hey everybody, in this video we'll show you how to install the GTA San Andreas on your Android device, step by step. So let's just dive right in and get started. So the official and 100% working way is opening up Google Play Store. We can open it up and there search for GTA San Andreas. So you can go to this search and directly type in GTA and look out for the San Andreas version, this one available. And there we go. So you can see the thing is, if you're trying to download it, you need to pay certain amount. And if you're looking for the official one, the publisher must be the Rockstar Games. It is a one-time purchase and no subscription needed. So if you want to download it, we cannot do it for free. You can just go over and look out for the certain balance that you need to pay, tap on it, and then just go over and provide in with a debit or credit card and purchase it. Once you purchase this, there is nothing you need to do. It is a one-time purchase, so you will be having it forever. So you can just go over and install it and wait for the download to complete and open up the game. You can just go over and install it and it should be installed automatically. When asked, you can give all the storage and media access and then the game launches. This is how you do it. If you're trying to use any kind of third-party applications, we do not follow those methods, but because those are usually illegal, unsafe, and often stop working very quickly. So there is no choice but to do this. So you can just go over and do so and download it. If you do not want the Google Play Store, we even have it on browser. You can open it up. And once you find the game, you can just go over and look out for the official site. Within Rockstar Games, it is published. So you can just go over and download it and try it out within your Android device. And that's it, everybody. If you want to download the Grand Auto Theft San Andreas, this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. So you can just go over and follow this step. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.